Hey guys, it's me again. I did what I promised, and I'm publishing my indoor skate park, indoor DIY skate park with my cat. If you can see him right over there, poking his head in the corner. So first, I'm gonna do some fails because I'm really bad at skateboarding. Oh yeah, sometimes failing for likes is, oh man, it hurt. Pretty hard. You guys wondering why I don't have shoes on? It's right to my skateboard on the side because it's already enough grip from it as it is. Yeah. Yeah, guys, in your comments, leave below how horrible I am at this. I don't really care, but I like comments. It makes me feel noticed. Right now, at least, because I just started a YouTube channel. Can you do a whole circle? Yeah. This video is only going to be a few minutes long because I'll be publishing another one about how cold it is outside. If you haven't noticed, if you're in Canada, snow is off the charts cold. Ugh. Sorry, it's such a dead bug. I have dead bug phobia, you can call it. Yeah. That's me for you. I like dead bugs. Yeah, I also published another video how to grind the pull-up bar, which you can find pretty cheap at Valley Village. $7. Yeah, pretty cheap for what it is. Yeah. Come on. A little bit of fail there, huh? Yeah. The last thing I'm going to do before I hit the road is do this. Well, guys, that's my really crappy DIY skate park I've hopefully put together. Thanks for watching, and make sure to press the subscribe button and also subscribe to Hunter Rescue and Daniel Decker if you can. Well, thanks guys. Peace out. Make sure to like.